Hello, hey guys. Team web services and the server crashing problems and the network's SOS show problem. The only network issues and the no network signal but any error SOS only show. But any main problem the recommended the problem the update first of all the server checkings and officially the top countries United States and the location has been redlined the Simron as different countries the error TMWell services but any officially the tweet updated the tweet officially team the TM mobiles only team has been active working on this reporting technical informations collaborations. The working started checking the server has been crashing problems and technical issues, but team has been resolving updated officially as student and join now.